time, baby.
Motif Alumni.
Bless. Yeah. Passed through the hood about a week ago. Heard a couple niggas got Peter on. Feeling like I'm on a suicide mission. Everybody know I got it, but they just waiting on me to blow. Was told never leave room for jealousy to grow. Look a man in his eyes, you can see his soul. Talk less, tell a bitch what she need to know. Fans ever snatch her up and she be free to go. You ever seen a nigga hit rock bottom? Kiss a nigga off and get the shit shot out him. Had 99 problems, but a bitch wasn't one. When his money got low, that's when his bitch got problems. All I know is powder, but my bars so advanced. When it come to power, I got stars on demand. All my niggas hustle, made a milli off that coke. When the music popped off, that was far from the plans. You a drumline nigga, I'm in charge of my bands. In the club later, I'ma let them bandos fly. Labels asking why I don't go hard on the gram. I be busy going hard on them grams offline. Post what pic? This that murder one cocaine shit. Headshots make your whole frame shift. Foot up on the gas, boy, I'm so dangerous. Nigga, I don't switch lanes, I make the whole lane switch. Niggas want what I got, trust me, they don't want these problems. All I do is hustle, I don't sleep. And we don't play no games, we came a long way from the bottom. If you don't put no work in, you don't eat. He playing with his re-up. Baby, I done flew more weight than Aaliyah. And I ain't met a bitch yet down from the feet up. Bet I'ma make a milli before I ever meet her. Rule 1, don't get booked, be a reader. Boy, I knock a nigga wig off, he Medea. Hope try to tell me she ain't do it for the money, but I give a bitch a snicker if she acting like a diva. Yeah, too many niggas going dumb in my hood, even though they book smart. And I done seen a lot of bass heads that ain't never touch a motherfucking guitar. I'm a hood star, good God, I push hard, but my flow like the plastic rapping them good bars. Yeah, y'all niggas hustle like a broke trap phone. You always got the plug, but you never took charge. Niggas want what I got, trust me, they don't want these problems. All I do is hustle, I don't sleep. And we don't play no games, we came a long way from the bottom. If you don't put no work in, you don't eat.